Provided with this Access course title are a number of working files. Now we've tried to make those working files be somewhat organized, and they're organized into chapters. These chapters obviously match the chapters of the course title. Most of the chapters, such as 12, only have two files within them. They have two databases. They have the customers database, which is how the database will start at the beginning of that chapter. And then they have another database, which is the customers result database. And depending on the chapter that you're looking at, that result database will have a different name. So here in chapter 12, it's called customers_advanced form result. But for example, in chapter 13, it's customers_advanced reports result. This is the state of the database at the end of that particular chapter. So after all the additions of objects or manipulations to objects have taken place, that's the end result. So all of the chapters will have both of these databases, the customers one and the customers result one. Here in chapter 5, for example, customers, customer form results, and then there's a couple of images as well that get used. Some of the chapters are a little more heavy on working files, such as chapter 7, that has a number of Excel files, Word files, and also the end result file with the Access database. And also chapter 3 has a number of other files, some Excel files in here, Word document, and a PDF file, which is actually a useful reference document for Microsoft Access input masks. So those are your working files. They will either be on DVD or downloaded, but they're available, broken down logically into chapters, and then all the files that you will need. If you're trying to follow along or do your own work related to a particular chapter, although the customer's database does appear in every chapter, it will have a slightly different setup based on the chapter that you're in. So you will need to make sure that you open the correct copy of the customer's database. Otherwise, what you see might be not what you're looking at on your own machine. So that's your working files for Access 2013.